More and more data today is getting stored in cloud data storages. Simex data processing solutions can access data from any type of a cloud. This short video explains how Dropbox data can be extracted and analyzed using Target Data Processing Suite, or Target DPS. First, you need to prepare your Dropbox storage to be automated. Please log in into your Dropbox account, and click this Properties button. Click on Developers menu item, and then on Create Apps button. Select Dropbox API option, and choose Full Dropbox Access Type. Give your new app a name, and generate access token. You will need this token when connecting to Dropbox from Target DPS. Let's open an integrator project, and add a Dropbox component from the library. We replace the placeholder for a Dropbox access token with the real token, and type in a folder name, where Dropbox files are located. The input variable will hold a folder path, where downloaded files will be placed. Let's run the process. The Dropbox files are there. Now let's implement a data extraction process with automatic input format recognition. We begin with adding a dispatcher component. This Dropbox component will run the dispatcher after Dropbox files are downloaded. In order to make one component accessible from another, we need to take a component's reference into the clipboard by selecting a component and pressing Ctrl+C on the keyboard. Then we open up the Dropbox component and paste the dispatcher reference into the library list. Now the dispatcher is accessible from this component. Let's use the object reference to set up dispatcher's batch processing to the folder where Dropbox files are stored. Finally, we can run the dispatcher. The dispatcher is set up to run through all the files in the input folder. The logic for automated format recognition can be based on specifics of data layouts or textual features. For this sample we will use customer-specific keywords. The variable comp will be set to a data extraction component name when a relevant keyword is found. Upon recognition of an input layout, we will do the following. Get an object reference by component's name. Set the input file for data extraction. Set the output destination for extracted data. Run the data extraction process. And move the processed input file into another folder, so we would not reprocess the same file on the next run. Let's drop pre-built data extraction components for 3 types of input documents into our integrated project. Upon running the project, the Dropbox component will download remote files and start the dispatcher. Dispatcher will analyze each input file and launch the corresponding data extraction component. Data extraction components will extract data and load it into an output table. The process is finished. The input files are gone from the input folder. The output folder contains an output table with all the extracted data. The project can be fully automated. It can be connected to the Windows scheduler, we can run it from the command line, or it can be automated through the programming API. Please let us know if you have any questions or need assistance with implementing data processing workflows.